and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Squarespace template. So to do it, come to Design, click on Template, and you'll see your current template, and then click on Install New Template. So you could take a look at these designs, click on Preview to see what they look like in more detail and navigate your way around them. When you find a design that you like, I'm going to just search Brian. When you find a design that you like, you click on Start with Brian or whatever the template will be. Now, as you see, it doesn't automatically install it on your website. Instead, what it does is it just adds it to your website, and then you can click on Preview. When you preview it, you'll see that you can see the new template installed. This again, it doesn't change your live template. Instead, this is on the back end, and you can actually come in and start editing it until you get it exactly how you like. So all your pages and everything, these are the new ones from the template, but all your current pages, they're still here. They're just in the not linked section, and you could still bring them up. For example, if I bring my About page up and I click on it, it's still here. It's just got the new design and layout. So you can change all your settings, and only when you're comfortable with how your new template looks do you click on this bar at the bottom, Set as Live Template. It doesn't, when you click on and change settings, it doesn't change anything with your live template. I just want to reiterate that one more time. This is like on the back end, you're customizing the new version of your site, the new template. But until you click Set as Live Template, it won't change the site that your website visitors will see. If you're concerned, then what you can do is you can add a under construction page if you wish before you change your template. I've got a video on how to do that. I'll link in the comments below. If you decide it's not for you, simply click on Cancel Preview, and the preview will be cancelled and it'll go back to your original site. Now, if you were to change to Brian and then you decided, I liked my old one better, you can still, as long as it's still here, all your settings will be saved, so you can always come back and reinstall the original template that you had. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below, but it really is that simple. Click on Design, Template, Install New Template, find the template that you like, Start with Template, and then all we want to do is click on Preview. We'll come in and redesign the site, change all the settings, and then when we're good to go, we'll click on Set as Live Template. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it out with your friends on social media. And say hello in the comments section. I'll join you there. My name is Chloe. I am your digital marketing sidekick, here to help you publish, teach, and sell online. So if that's something that you're into, also be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again real soon.